So let's try to solve a very interesting math question from the topic of exponents. So you can see the question here in front of you. The question is 1 by 27 is equal to 9 to the power of 5x minus 7. So you can see that this question has the variable in the exponent. So that means that this involves some form of comparison in the of exponents. So for comparison of exponents, we know that the base should be same. In order to bring the base to same, you can see that the numbers are actually right now 9 and 27, and we know that 9 and 27 are actually connected to 3. So what we will do is that we will convert the base into 3 so that we will have same base on both LHS as well as RHS. So let's try to do it. So it is going to be 3 to the power of minus 3. Now how did I get 3 to the power of minus 3? Negative sign for taking it upwards, and minus 3 of course is because of the 3 because of 3 cube is 27. Now this is going to become 3 square the whole raised to 5x minus 7. This is going to be 3 square the whole raised to 5x minus 7. Now we can again do the simplification. 3 raised to minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 10x minus 14. So that means that you can see we have the same base of 3 on both LHS and RHS, so we can do the comparison. And when we do the comparison, what is it that we end up with? We end up with minus 3 is equal to 10x minus 14, or we will say 10x is equal to 14 minus 3, which is equal to 11. This implies your x will be equal to 11 divided by 10. So we got the solution for this question very easily by using the concept of exponents and comparison of exponents on LHS and RHS. That is the concept that we used, so and that gave me the solution. So for more such videos, please ensure that you follow this channel. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be seeing you with the next video.